What's up, guys? We are back in the garage and we got ourselves a package. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. I got a bunch of new parts for the 302 here. So we're gonna see if all of them are in here, if it's just a couple. And what are you looking at? Hey, come here. Nope. Okay. Anyways, all right, we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we got. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit better look at these new parts here. These are the new Cleveite camshaft bearings. Super nice, pretty solid brand. What's cool about these cam bearings is they come on, focus now. They come labeled with the part number and which position they go in on the block, so you're not gonna put the wrong bearings in the wrong holes. That's what she said. But as you can tell, it's a very, very big difference between what we took out and the new ones. So it was a much needed replacement. I'm trying to think, they were only like 27 bucks. You really can't beat it. Especially when you're putting in a new camshaft. Wouldn't want a new camshaft riding on this worn, scarred out bearing. So well worth it. Now let's take a look at these other new parts we got. And this right here is the pride and joy of this build. Comp camshaft, super nice camshaft. Definitely one of the bigger camshafts I've run before. The biggest I could actually run in this 302 with the stock valve train and the stock push rods. It is a hydraulic roller cam. I'm gonna go ahead and reuse these hydraulic roller lifters. I cleaned them up a little bit just to double check that there wasn't any bad wear on them. They're not too bad. I should be okay with running these again. Still got some cleaning to do on those, but this is the new camshaft. It is super nice, and I am super excited to go ahead and get this in, and can't wait to hear it chop. So here we got the Lunati double roller timing chain. Super great brand. I actually used this brand timing chain in my Dodge Ram Charger build I did, 2 years ago, last year. I don't know. But it was a great timing chain, had no problems with it. So I definitely went back and got the same one, or the same brand timing chain, but for the 302. But yeah, super nice timing chain. Nothing fancy about it, just a timing chain, no more slack like the old one. But that's it, Lunati, great brand. Highly recommend their timing chains.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys? It's another day in paradise, back working on the beautiful flare side 302. I got a bunch of parts washed up last night and last week. Just about done with the cleaning process of it. All I got left are the 2 brackets and all the pulleys and BS on that. But these parts are ready for assembly and or paint. But today is the last part we got to do on here besides pressure washing it. I think I got a plan to get this engine pressure washed and ready for paint this week. But today we're going to go ahead and hone these cylinder walls. I got the cylinder honed, I got my drill, I got some assembly lube to lube everything up. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that and show you guys how to set all that up. All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna hone all 8 cylinders And all that's doing is resurfacing this in here, getting it ready for new rings, and that way it's got good compression and everything can be brand new and mesh together. We got ourselves a Harbor Freight Edition cylinder hone. It's not the nice dingleberry version of it. I didn't want to spend the pristine amount of money on a tool that I barely use, so that's gonna do the job just fine. And I got this here, which is full of 15W40 oil and some assembly lube mixture that we're gonna spray in these cylinders to lube it up to make sure we're not gonna burn through the walls with the tool. So let's go ahead and get these lubed up and ready to sand down. All right, so the objective of honing these cylinders out, getting ready for the new pistons, I mean, this block has definitely seen better days. After, cleaning these up, it's definitely got some wear and tear inside these cylinder walls. There's not much I can do about it. I'm gonna get them cleaned up as best as I can. But unless I want to buy a new block or sleeve it and send it to the machine shop, which isn't happening, I'm gonna have to make do with what I got. But this, I don't know if you can see it with this camera, but the tool is actually lightly putting little cross hatches into this and basically resurfacing it. There's a slight lip on this upper edge, and then down there where it gets a little dark right down there, there's a slight lip. We want to eliminate that lip and make this all one nice smooth surface. So that's what we're trying to do with that tool there. And we're just lubing it up, making sure we're not actually scratching into the wall. We're just smoothing it all out. This upper lip wasn't bad at all, but down there, that lip still got a little bit of, you can see that dark ring right there. We're gonna try and get that lip out a little bit more. But that's basically the principle. You're just cross hatching this entire wall and making it all one smooth level surface, and that way those new piston rings, when it sits in there, it's not going to have to fight that wall going up and down. It's just going to be nice, one flush smooth surface. So I'm going to get back, keep doing this. Got 2 more on this side, going to finish this one up, and then got the 4 on the other side. But once we get these done, should be good to go. Well, I got 5 of them done and my drill's overheating. So I guess that'll wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna have to let my drill relax a little bit and then I'll do the last 3. I got an idea of how I'm gonna be able to pressure wash this engine, but I'm still trying to figure out if I have to take it to the shop to be able to use a die grinder to get this gasket off or what we're gonna do. But once I get the block clean, get this crap off, definitely find some new studs. We'll be able to paint it. We'll start painting the valve covers, intake, oil pan, all that good stuff, and we'll start putting this bad boy together, and hopefully get it back in the truck and ready to rock and roll by the end of January, and see how quick we can blow these tires off. So that'll wrap it up, guys. I appreciate it. I'll try and have another video out this time next week. Thank you.